Hello class, my name is Mr. Smith, and today our goal is to learn how to solve two-step equations. Now, two-step equations are as simple as they sound. They are equations that require, how many steps you think?
Two.
Two steps, that's right. And I have two examples on the board to show you how to do that process. Now, our first example reads, 3x plus 6 equals 9. Now, the goal in two-step equations is to isolate the variable. We're trying to get the variable by itself so that we can solve for it. There's an equal sign here because there's some number out there in this world that we can plug in for x that'll help us get 9, right?
Right.
Right, that's right. So, our first step here, being that we want to get 3x on the side by itself, we subtract 6. So, we're going to subtract 6 here, and in math, what we do to one side, we do to the other, because math requires balance. So, we subtract 6, and those two cancel. We bring the 3x down, the equal sign, and 9 minus 6 equals
3.
3. 9 minus 6 equals 3. That's right. Now, that's the first step. Now, the second step, what we want to do is, we're still trying to get x. What number does x equal? So, in order to do that, being that the 3 and the x are being multiplied, we want to do the opposite, which in this case is division. And so, we divide by 3, because divided by 3, these numbers will cancel, and that'll leave x by itself. And remember, in math, what we do to one side, we
Do to the other.
we do to the other, that's right. So, we divide by 3 over here, and that brings down that x, and 3 divided by 3 is what, class?
1.
Is 1, that's right. And that's how you do two-steps equations. Now, let's go on to our second example. Our second example, Ms. Blue, could you read our second example, please?
It reads 6x minus 4 equals 8.
That's right. All right, now, Ms. Blue, what do you think our first step would be?
Plus 4.
Plus 4, that's right. Now, why do you think that's the case?
Because you're trying to get the variable 6x by itself.
That's right. And do we do it to just this side, or?
We do it to both sides.
Both sides, that's right. And so, that leaves us with 6x equals 12. Now, Mr. Smith, could you please tell me what the next step will be? What do you think the next step is?
Divide by 6.
Divide by 6. All right. And do we do to what? Just this, or?
No, you do it to the other side.
To the other side. And what we do here, we do those two cancel, and x equals what in the class?
2.
2. That's
2.
right. That's right. And there you have it. And that's how you do two-step equations. All right, class. There's an easy chant that you can do to learn two-step equations. So, first off, I need y'all to clap with me. Come on. Yeah, you like that. So the chant goes like this. Two-step equations. Two-step equations. Add or subtract, then you divide. Then you get x on its own side. Two-step equations. Two-step equations. And there you have it. That's an easy chant to help you learn two-step equations. I hope that helps.